Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Mercedes McKenzie, and as you read by the title, I'm going to be showing y'all all my favorite makeup products. And guys, the funny thing is I actually haven't been wearing that much makeup. If you're new to my channel, I'm actually a makeup artist, so even though I may not be wearing makeup, I'm always doing makeup. So regardless of what I have going on, I always have a palette and a brush in my hand. I do have on makeup right now, I just don't have on a full beat, as they will say. So yeah, let's get into my favorites. So first on the list is this L'Oreal True Match foundation. Y'all, this foundation, True Match #1, they have so many different undertones. Like the undertones, the shade range is literally a 10 out of 10. Like, it looks flawless on the skin. It is buildable. I would say it's like a medium coverage, so it's not too heavy, but it is buildable. So I absolutely love this foundation. I don't have to mix it with anything else so that it will match, nothing like that. Like, it matched my complexion perfectly, and my mama actually put me on. My girl put me on. So yes, I absolutely love this, and I wear the shade W.6.5. yeah, so W6.5. Like I said, I love this foundation. It's even good for the summertime because it's not super heavy, it's not a full coverage. So yeah, it looks amazing. 10 out of 10. So next, this is a little bit more on the pricier side, but it's the YSL bronzer, and this is in the shade Halo Tint. Guys, this bronzer is beautiful. Like, it gives the most beautiful look. Like, when I tell you, like, it literally gives VS Angel. Like, this bronzer has been my go-to because honestly, I stopped contouring my face because I feel like I have very high cheekbones as well. So I just look like handsome Squidward. Like, girl, be giving, yeah, I be looking very chiseled. So I just like doing a bronzer, and this gives me that nice, pretty summer glowy makeup look. Like, this is perfect for like a light makeup look if you don't want to have on too much makeup. Like, this is that girl. Like, when I tell you I look so bronzed and, I don't know, sun-kissed, I just look so beautiful with this. So this is definitely a 10 for me as well. And the funny thing is, I actually didn't even purchase this. I was working for YSL a couple years back, so of course they gave me gratis, and this was a part of my gratis. Absolutely love this product. Highly recommend, highly. So next, I love the Charlotte Tilbury concealer, and this is their airbrush concealer. Guys, on these two together look so amazing because this, I wouldn't say this is like a matte concealer. It has like, I don't know, it gives me a very glowy effect. So don't get me wrong, I don't look like, I don't know, I can't explain it. It just looks very soft and glowy. Like, it has the most beautiful effect under the eye. It's kind of illuminating just in a way, or maybe it's the mix of my foundation with my powder, I don't know, but these two together give me that very glowy, beautiful makeup look. So these two I've been loving together, like loving so much. Next is the One Size loose powder. Y'all, I swear by this. To me, this is better than the Laura Mercier, but that's just my opinion. I love this stuff, and I'm an oily girl, so this keeps me matte, honey, okay? And I wear the color Ultra Peach because I just been liking that little peachy pink look, and it's not too pink at all. Like, it's not, but like I said, I like the bronze makeup look lately, and I feel like when I have like that, but I feel like when I use something like a translucent powder, it doesn't give me that glowy effect I'm looking for. So I like the Ultra Peach, and yeah, it definitely does the job. Like, it looks so beautiful. I love the Patrick Ta Duo. Yeah, this is the Duo blush, and the reason why I love this, and this is what I try to tell the girls all the time. So first, it has a cream and a powder blush. Two, I use this cream blush for everything, as y'all see. As y'all see, I am literally almost out. I'm literally almost out of the cream because I use it for everything. I use it for my cream blush. I use it on my lips. Like, I use this for everything. Like, I literally use it as a lipstick. So I bring this whole thing out with me. But I also love The blush as well, like the pink is beautiful. Sometimes I even use it as a pop of color under my eye, like kind of like a little eyeshadow look. Sometimes I put it on my lid. Guys, this color is absolutely beautiful, and it's in the shade Just Enough. But yeah, I absolutely love this color. He has a lot of other colors in this same product that's absolutely stunning, but this is my favorite. I'm a pink girl. I'm always go for pink. So it is this YSL eyeshadow palette. Oops. They actually sent me this a couple months ago, and I fell in love. Like, the colors are beautiful. They're perfect for any season, summer, winter, spring, fall. Like, the colors are absolutely beautiful. Like, these neutrals are stunning, and the shimmers are beautiful as well. Like, absolutely love this palette. I did use it already on my TikTok and Instagram, so I'll put that in the box below so y'all can get to it. But yes, and the packaging is beautiful as well. Like, look at that. Look, guys, I'm a matte girly. Always gonna be a matte girly. That's where I started off. So I live by my Cork lip liner. I've been using this since your girl started wearing makeup. Like, I swear by their lip liners. Like, MAC has some of the best, to me, MAC has the best lip liners on the market, but that's just my opinion. Like, they're the best texture. They go on so smooth. They last a long time, and it's so much product. Like, the pencils are about like this freaking long. Nowadays the pencils be this big, so it doesn't really, you know, you don't get much out of a lot of product these days. But this lip liner is that girl. It did used to be like $19, now it's like $26, so that does suck. But I mean, prices are gonna go up. It is what it is. So then I also have this lipstick by Lawless in the color Platinum. Y'all, I barely have anything in here. That's how you know, like, I love this lipstick. It is the perfect nude shade, I would say. I know you guys can't really see it. Yeah, I know you can't see it because I don't wear it down, but it's a pinky nude shade. Like, it's very, I'll say it's more on the nude with pink undertones, like little rosy undertones, but super beautiful. It looks amazing with my Cork, so I usually pair that with my Cork and a clear lip gloss. The most beautiful lip combo ever. Last but not least is this YSL lip balm. Y'all, they sent me this product as well, and I wore it down. As you see, like, I wore this product down as well. This is in the color 18. I believe that's Cotton Candy. Yeah, I believe it's called Cotton Candy, but it is the shade 18, and it is the YSL Love Shine Candy Glaze. And it is, and to me, I like it better than a Dior lip oil. I know that's two different products, a oil and a balm, but I just like the balm way better. I feel like it still gives me a little bit of color. It's thicker, it lasts longer, and it feels like a lip mask. Like, when I tell you, my lips feel so moisturized and nourished. It feels so